Greetings, I am World's Greatest Reporter, Sarah Hatoff, reporting to you live from the L.E. Phillips Memorial Public Library. That is to say, coming to you from Cat Jail, where we have just confirmed rumors that a Dogman Zoom virtual meetup is go for July. That is, I repeat, Dogman virtual meetup on Zoom is go for July. Oh, wait, what's that? Oh, my producers are telling me that all participants must be aware of epic awesomeness and serious laughs. That's right, epic awesomeness and serious laughs. Go to the Youth Services website to learn more and sign up today.